Welcome to the mat washing station, where you begin by pressing the Start button. Next, you can decide if you want to turn on the optional water spray. Then simply take your mat and move it up and down in a deliberate motion through the opening. Flip it and repeat. That's how easy it is. Now, here's a few helpful tips. If the machine doesn't turn on when you press Start, check the emergency stop button to make sure it's in the correct position. For carpeted mats, running them dry is the most common method. With rubber or all-weather style mats, keep the water on. It'll give you better results. Just keep in mind that some of those deep-fitted mats may trigger the safety relay. That's normal. It's a built-in safety feature to protect your hands and arms. And if your mat does get pulled down inside, simply lift it out from the bottom of the machine. It's totally safe to do. And while you're down there, please tuck in the splash shield so water doesn't spill onto the floor. And when you're done, don't forget to turn the water completely off. For really dirty mats, try pre-spraying them with an all-purpose cleaner and letting it soak before washing. That's it. Your mats should always be looking their best. And if you have any other questions, remember, at Speedwash, our attendants are always happy to help.